I'm from Pakistan, from slums, grew up in a Muslim environment and had the strength to stand up against the society and break all the norms. I was abused for 7 years as a child and then 5 years as an adult. And it was very easy for me to say, that's it, this is it, the world is crap. But that's not it. How can I blame those people who are not given a chance to live, who are not given a chance to breathe? I believe that when you care for self, then you care for others around you.
She is one of the most fabulous public speakers.
You can't put a price on somebody who changes your life. You can't put a price on someone who makes a difference in your life, and Ruby's done that for me.
Self-care doesn't only mean that you're well rested and you have lots of energy and you're eating food that's nourishing you and you're moving and your body's free and you're healthy, but it also means that you have friends, you have support in your life, you have love and intimacy, and you have fun and adventure, right? But beyond that, you're part of a community. You feel that you belong. So in my opinion, number one key to success and fulfillment is listening to feedback. In your life, you have got everything you need. It is telling you exactly what you need to hear to make your life happen. So are you listening? Are you actually listening to the feedback?
Work with Ruby, enjoy the experience, go for it, and I know that your level of self-care, growth, fulfillment, joy, love, everything will just explode in your life.